Hi there, students. Rugged, an adjective. Ruggedly, an adverb. Okay, this is one of these words that's difficult to pin down. Let's see, when I hear this word rugged, the first thing I think about is a rugged landscape, a rugged coastline, a rugged cliff. And by this rugged, it has this idea of broken into sharp, uneven, irregular bits. It's rough, it's not smooth, it's irregular. But it's also rocky, it's bare of plant life, it's strong, it's sturdy, it's harsh, it's austere, it's tempestuous, it's a harsh place. So let's try rugged, but with different ideas. So let's see, rugged land, a rugged landscape, a rugged terrain, rugged hills. It's wild, it's not even, it's not easy to travel over. The rugged cliffs, they're very bumpy, they're difficult to move over. A vehicle could be rugged. So for example, a Jeep is a rugged vehicle. It's strong, it's simple, it works well in rough conditions. It's something that's strong and hard and robust. If a man's face is rugged, it's strong, it's attractively formed. He had rugged good looks. Not smooth, very sweet and gentle good looks. Very strong and very powerful. You could use rugged, so rugged individualism, strong and powerful, not delicate, and the good looks, not delicate again. Okay, so rugged. Let's see, the rugged beauty of the area. Yes, it's got all of these different things. It's irregular, it's strong, it's hard, it's austere, it's stormy, it's turbulent, it's uneven. A rugged coastline moves backwards and forwards. He is a rugged individualist. He looks after himself. He withstands things very easily. Okay, so a ruggedly beautiful wilderness. Uneven, covered with rocks, not with many trees or plants. The rugged coastline of the area. A rugged man has, if you describe a man as rugged, strong masculine features. He had a very rugged face, lined, worn, weathered. He was ruggedly handsome. If you describe somebody's character as rugged, you mean they're determined, they're strong, they will cope with all sorts of difficult situations. They're tough, they will come through in the end. They are resistant, they don't break or give up. A piece of equipment could be rugged. It's designed to last a long time, even if the situation is very difficult. Rugged clothes for mountain climbing. A rugged camera, one that's not going to break. So rugged, an uneven surface. Rugged scenery, rocky and steep. A rugged face with lines, with strong furrowed features. A rugged character, very stern, very severe, very strong. Without refinement, rugged manners. A rugged lifestyle, hard and difficult. A rugged test of survival. Sturdy, strong, robust, rugged. Designed to put up with rough treatment or to survive in rough conditions. Yeah, a computer, it would be nice to have a rugged laptop that you could take absolutely anywhere. So let's see, I think that's a pretty good description of the word rugged. Comes from Old Norse rog, tuft, shaggy, with hair. Or Old Swedish ruggoter, wrinkled, rugger in Swedish, to roughen. So it's got this rough idea. And rugged, formality. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Use anywhere, but it does sound a little bit literary. But rugged, yeah, it's a good word to use anywhere. But yes, a little bit poetic, but just a touch. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Rugged.